Are you thinking about launching an Etsy shop? Before you take the plunge, there are several important things you need to consider. Starting an Etsy shop can be a great way to make money, but it can also be a huge time investment if you don't go into it with the right information. Today, in this video, I will discuss the 5 most important things you should know before starting your Etsy shop. But first, if you want to open an Etsy store with 40 free listings, use my link in the description box to get 40 free listings. So let's get started. Number 1. Do your research. Before you start an Etsy shop, it's important to do your research. You need to understand the marketplace and be aware of the competition. Do a search for shops that are similar to yours and take note of what they're doing. Look at their products, pricing, and marketing strategies. You should also research trends in the industry and find out what customers are looking for. This will help you decide which products to offer and how to market them. Additionally, you should look into Etsy's fees, policies, and rules to make sure that you're following all guidelines. Lastly, read reviews of current Etsy shops to learn what customers like and don't like. Pay attention to customer complaints and try to avoid making the same mistakes. This will help you create a successful shop that will attract and retain customers. Number 2. Choose a niche. Choosing the right niche for your Etsy shop is an important step that shouldn't be overlooked. When selecting a niche, you should take into consideration what items you have to sell and what type of customers you want to target. It's also important to do some research to make sure there is a market for the products you are selling. Before settling on a particular niche, it's important to ask yourself a few questions. What types of products do you have to offer? Are there people who will buy them? Is this something that you can make a profit from? Answering these questions will help you determine whether or not your chosen niche is viable. You should also think about the types of customers you want to attract. Who are the ideal customers for your products? Once you have identified your target audience, it will be easier to choose a niche that will appeal to them. When selecting a niche, it's also important to consider how competitive the market is. Do a quick search on Etsy to see how many shops are offering similar products. This will give you an idea of how saturated the market is and help you decide if it's worth your time and effort. Number 3. Set up your shop. Once you've chosen your niche and products, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. This is the fun part. It's where you get to create an attractive shop that showcases your products. First, you'll need to choose a name for your shop. This should reflect your brand and be unique and memorable. Once you've settled on a name, you can add a shop banner, logo, product images and descriptions, and payment information. You can use the listing feature to upload photos, write descriptions, and set prices for your products. Once you've finished setting up your shop, it's time to start promoting your products. Consider using social media to spread the word about your Etsy store. You can also take advantage of Etsy's advertising options like sponsored listings and display ads. By taking the time to properly set up your shop, you will be well on your way to running a successful Etsy business. Number 4. Choose your products. When starting an Etsy shop, it is important to choose the right products. You want to make sure that the products you choose will appeal to your target market and will generate enough interest and sales. Here are a few tips to help you choose the right products for your shop. 1. Research your competition. Take some time to research the products that similar shops are offering. What are their best sellers? What makes them stand out? Make sure you understand what is already out there in the marketplace and how your products can be different. 2. Choose quality products. When choosing the products to offer in your shop, make sure they are of high quality. Customers will be more likely to purchase from you if they know that your products are of good quality. 3. Price competitively. When pricing your products, make sure to consider all associated costs and then price accordingly. It is also important to research the prices that competitors are charging so you can ensure you stay competitive. 4. Focus on what sells. If possible, focus on offering items that are more likely to sell quickly. This will help generate more sales and keep customers coming back for more. 5. Stay current. Keep up with the latest trends in your niche to make sure your shop stays relevant. Offering products that reflect current trends will help your shop stand out and remain competitive in the marketplace. Following these tips can help you choose the right products for your Etsy shop and give you a better chance of success. Number 5. Promote your shop. Once you've created your Etsy shop, it's time to get the word out and start driving traffic to your store. Promoting your shop is essential for making sales and growing your business. Here are some of the best ways to promote your Etsy shop. Social media. Utilize the power of social media to share content, connect with potential customers, and build relationships. Create accounts on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, and post regularly to grow your following. Blogging. Blogging is an effective way to generate organic traffic and engage with your customers. Publish helpful articles related to your niche and link back to products in your Etsy shop. Advertising. Consider running targeted ads to reach new audiences and increase visibility for your store. There are many paid advertising options available, such as Google Ads, Facebook ads, and sponsored posts. Email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to stay connected with current and potential customers. Send newsletters and special promotions to entice customers to make purchases. SEO. Optimizing your store for search engines can be beneficial for driving organic traffic. Make sure your product descriptions, titles, and tags are optimized for keywords related to your niche. As you can see, there are many ways to promote your Etsy shop and drive more traffic to it. Take advantage of these strategies to start selling more products and grow your business. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a comment below with the name of your new Etsy shop. Please also like, share, and subscribe to my channel.